you know I love cleaning with apple cider vinegar, and I started thinking about the roots of everything I do, okay? So yes, I love cleaning with apple cider vinegar, but where does it come from? How do you make apple cider vinegar? So I started doing some research online, and I came up with a recipe to make apple cider vinegar. In this recipe, you will need 2 organic apples, raw organic sugar, 1 glass container, a glass of water, 1 regular spoon, 1 wooden spoon, a cutting board, and a cutting knife. Let's get started. Okay, the first step to making apple cider vinegar is you need to cut the apples. So you'll use the cutting board, the cutting knife, and the organic apples.
The next step is putting the whole apples in the jar. Yes, with the core and the seeds and everything.
The next step is grab the sugar, and you'll want to add a tablespoon for every apple. So we had 2 apples. So we need 2 spoons of sugar into the jar. So here, give it a pretty generous amount. 1, 2. All right, the next step is fill the glass jar with water. So we'll take the water and just fill it. You actually want a little bit more water than that. Use good, clean, filtered water. We have good water here in Boquete, Panama, so there we go. The wooden spoon here, and mix it.
At this point in the process, you'll want to mix the jar of apples, sugar, and water with the wooden spoon, and then you put a weight down onto the apples so that they stay submerged.
Okay, so here is my apple cider vinegar mix. So far it's cut apples, sugar, and water. A couple of things that I found. Well, I need some sort of weight to keep it submerged under the water. So I found this rock outside, and I scrubbed it and cleaned it with soap and water. So I'm just gonna put it on top of the apples so that it stays submerged under the water. I don't know if you can see this very well. What I'm gonna do also is I found this cloth here at the house, and I'm going to put it over the jar so I can keep it covered. So I guess is similar to a cheesecloth as I can get here. And then also I found these clips. So instead of rubber bands, I'm going to use these little clips to secure the cloth on the jar. Again, just use what you have. So this is what I'm going to do, and this should be ready in the next week and a half to 2 weeks. I did add a little bit of apple cider vinegar that I already have to speed up the fermentation process. I would love it if you could join me on this journey and try making your own apple cider vinegar, and let me know what you were able to find in your house to do this. Sorry about all the noise all the time in the background. We live in a very windy place. It's beautiful. I love the wind, but it can be loud at times. So hopefully you can hear me okay. In 3 weeks, I will take it out of its cloth, check on it, and then every 3 days I'll mix it for the next 3 weeks. Yes, so this process takes a long time, but you know, you can do it at home, and it's eco-friendly. So you can clean just about anything with apple cider vinegar. Also, you can take it internally, maybe a shot with some water a day. It can really clean out your system. On this channel, I'm Eco Clean Queen. I do educate people about cleaning in all aspects of your life. Cleaning your mind, cleaning your gut, cleaning your home. Cleaning is very important, so just stick with me on my channel. I post videos every week, and I will do as much research as possible to create this content for you. I hope you like this video, and please click on the subscribe button right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and then don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you can be notified of the next video that comes up. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode.